Welcome to Unlocking SweetCommerce, a series of tutorials, how-tos, and guides guaranteed to make SweetCommerce easy. Hi, I'm Fran, Project Management Officer at Tivano team, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the search feature in SweetCommerce. The search bar is the most important tool to help shoppers find the products they're looking for easily in your e-commerce. It's important to remember that the search bar will only search for products. It will not show results for pages, categories, blogs, or other types of content. The search feature in SweetCommerce comes with a native auto-suggest functionality, which will be triggered once the shopper starts typing in the search keyword. If the user finds what they're looking for in the auto-suggestions, they can select the item and they will be taken to that product's product detail page. If the user does not find what they're looking for in the auto-suggested items, they can see the full list of results by pressing Enter after typing in their keyword or clicking the See All Results link. Now that we've covered how the search works for your users, let's see how you can customize the criteria for the search results shown in your SweetCommerce store. In SweetCommerce, you have the power to decide which results shoppers see when they make a search, and the type of match, whether it's a product name, SKU, or whatever other attribute you choose. You can achieve this by configuring the search fields. To configure the search results, go to Commerce, Websites, Website List. Click Edit next to your site. Then click the Search Index subtab and then click Search Fields. In the Search Fields subtab, you can determine the type of matches you want displayed for each product attribute and the order in which they will be displayed. For example, for the item name attribute, you can select the type of match field as exact, starts with, keyword, and/or fuzzy. The search results will be displayed following that relevance. You can also use synonyms to search in SweetCommerce, which can come particularly handy to find products that have multiple names, denominations, or equivalents. Here's how to set up the search synonym feature. For every word you want to include synonyms for, you will have to create one group synonym. To define a group synonym, go to Commerce, Marketing, Search, Group Synonyms. Click New Group Synonym. Now choose your website and in the synonym field, enter the list of synonym terms, separated by commas. We'll create this group synonym for the color red. We'll use red, crimson, burgundy, maroon, and scarlet. For additional configurations to the search bar, go to Setup, SweetCommerce Advanced, Configuration, Search. In the Type Ahead subtab, you will find the additional configurations for the auto-suggest feature, from the maximum number of results shown to the minimum number of characters needed to trigger the auto-suggest. And in the sort field, you can define how you want those results to be displayed. The native configuration is ordered by relevance. In the Search Results per Page subtab, you can set the number of results shown per page by default, the options being 12, 24, or 48 results per page. In the Search Results subtab, you can set the title for the search results page. Click Save and you're done! You're now ready to make the most of the search feature in your SweetCommerce website yourself. Give it a try! Subscribe to our channel for more SweetCommerce tutorials and don't forget to turn on the notifications. See you next time!